Boy. Hi, everyone. I'm new here. First time camping, actually. Camper 1. Welcome, camping for the first time, huh? You're in for an adventure. Boy. Thanks. I'm a little nervous, honestly. I don't know much about setting up camp. Park Ranger. No worries. We can help you out. I'm Tom, by the way. I'm one of the rangers here. Boy. Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Dave, Camper 2. Hey, Dave, I'm Mike, and this is Sarah. Setting up camp gets easier each time you do it. Boy, good to know. So, where do I even start with my tent? Tom, first, look for a flat, dry spot. You want to avoid any slopes so you don't slide down in the middle of the night. Sarah, and check for rocks or branches underneath. They can be uncomfortable if you don't clear them out. Boy, got it. Flat spot, no rocks or branches. Mike, it's also good to position your tent so the door faces away from the wind. Makes it easier to go in and out without letting the wind blow in. Boy, okay, that makes sense. And how do I set it up? I mean, do I need help with the poles and everything? Sarah, we can walk you through it. Most tents have poles that snap together pretty easily. Tom, yeah, once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to set it up in no time. Just follow the instructions that come with it, and we'll guide you. Boy, thanks, guys. I'd be pretty lost without your help. Mike, no problem. Camping's always more fun with friends, right? Boy, definitely. By the way, what other stuff should I have? I brought a sleeping bag and some snacks, but I'm not sure if I have everything I need. Sarah, you're off to a good start with a sleeping bag. Do you have a flashlight or a headlamp? Boy, oh, I have a flashlight. Will that be enough? Tom, a flashlight is fine, but just keep it handy. It gets dark fast out here, and you'll want it nearby at night. Boy, all right. Flashlight close by. Got it. Mike, food storage is also important. You don't want animals getting into your snacks. We usually keep food in a sealed container or a bag that's hung up away from the tent. Boy, hang up the food? Why's that? Tom, mostly to keep wildlife away. Some animals, like raccoons, can smell food from a distance. Keeping it off the ground and sealed keeps you and the animals safe. Boy, wow, I didn't think about that. Good tip. I'll make sure to keep my food secure. Sarah, do you have extra clothes or layers? Nights can get chilly. Boy, I brought a sweater. Do you think that'll be warm enough? Tom, it should be if the weather holds, but it's always smart to have one more layer, just in case. Boy, I'll remember that. Thanks. This is way more than I thought I'd need to know. Mike, we've all been there. It's a lot at first, but soon it'll feel like second nature. Boy, I'm glad you're all so helpful. Are there any other things I should know about, like rules around the campsite? Tom, yes, a few basics. Keep the area clean, pack out all your trash, and be mindful of fire safety. Boy, fire safety? Are we making a campfire tonight? Sarah, we usually do. It's the best part of camping. Sitting around the fire, sharing stories, and just relaxing. Boy, that sounds awesome. How do you start a campfire safely? Tom, first, use the designated fire pit if there is one. Clear any dry leaves or branches nearby, so there's nothing flammable around the fire. Mike, and don't use too much paper or leaves to start the fire. It's better to start with small sticks and work up to larger logs. Boy, got it. Small sticks first. Do you bring your own firewood? Sarah, yes, we always bring firewood or buy it here. It's not safe to gather wood from the forest since it can damage the environment. Boy, oh, that makes sense. I didn't know that. Tom, it's all part of respecting nature and keeping the forest healthy for everyone. Boy, I'll remember that. So what do we usually do around the campfire? Just sit and chat. Mike, mostly yes. Sometimes we cook marshmallows or make simple meals like hot dogs. It's a good way to end the day. Boy, sounds perfect. I've never cooked on a campfire before. Is it hard? Sarah, not at all. Once the fire's going, it's pretty easy. Just hold the marshmallow or hot dog on a stick and keep it close to the fire. Boy, all right, I'll give it a try tonight. Thanks so much for all the tips. I feel a lot more prepared now. Tom, you'll do great. And if you need any more help, just ask. We'll be around. Boy, thanks, Tom. And thanks to all of you. I'll definitely join you by the campfire later. Sarah, looking forward to it. It's going to be a great night. Mike, yeah, welcome to camping, Dave. Boy, thanks everyone. See you all tonight. Boy, good morning, everyone. Mike, morning, Dave. How was your first night in the tent? Boy, pretty good. Thanks to all your help yesterday, I felt pretty comfortable. Sarah, glad to hear it. So what's the plan for you today? Boy, that's what I wanted to ask you all about. Any ideas on outdoor activities? I'm still learning, so maybe something easy to start with? Tom, Park Ranger. If you're interested in a bit of exploring, we've got some nice beginner hiking trails here. Boy, hiking sounds perfect. I've always wanted to try it. Do you have any specific trails you'd recommend for a beginner like me? Mike, definitely. There's a trail called the Lakeside Loop. It's about a 2-hour hike, mostly flat, and you get a great view of the lake. Sarah, and if you want something even shorter, the Forest Path is a good choice. It's only an hour and has lots of shade and some nice spots to rest along the way. Boy, both sound awesome. I think I'll try the Lakeside Loop. Do I need to bring anything special? Tom, for a hike like that, I'd say bring a small backpack with water, some snacks, and maybe a light jacket in case it gets cool. Boy, how much water should I take? Sarah, I usually carry at least 1 bottle, but if it's a hot day, you might want 2. Staying hydrated is really important, especially on trails. Mike, and don't forget to keep your water in an easy-to-reach spot. It's no fun having to dig through your backpack every time you're thirsty. Boy, got it. Water, snacks, and a jacket. Is there anything I should know about safety on the trail? Tom, yes, there are a few things. First, always stay on the marked path. It can be tempting to explore off-trail, but that's how people get lost. Boy, makes sense. Stay on the trail. Got it. Sarah, and if you happen to see any wildlife, just keep your distance. Most animals will leave you alone if you don't bother them. Boy, what kind of animals might I see? Tom, mainly small animals like squirrels or birds, but sometimes people spot deer. Just enjoy watching them from afar. Boy, I'll keep that in mind. I wouldn't want to disturb them. Mike, oh, and another thing, try to keep noise levels down. Loud sounds can startle animals and take away from the peaceful experience. Boy, makes sense. I want to enjoy the quiet out here. Sarah, also wear sturdy shoes. You'll be stepping over rocks, roots, and uneven ground, so comfortable, supportive shoes are a must. Boy, I only have regular sneakers. Will those work, or should I get hiking boots? Tom, for an easy trail like Lakeside Loop, sneakers should be fine as long as they have a good grip. Just make sure they're comfortable. Boy, perfect. Sneakers it is. Anything else I should bring? Mike, a map of the trail is always a good idea, even for a simple hike. There should be some maps at the info board near the entrance. Boy, I'll grab one on my way. I didn't realize there were so many things to think about before a hike. Sarah, It's just about being prepared. Once you get the basics down, you can relax and enjoy it. Boy, thanks for all the tips. I'm excited to give it a try. Tom, you're going to have a great time. And remember, if you ever feel unsure, just head back. There's no rush to finish a trail. Boy, that's good advice. I'll take it slow and see how it goes. Mike, when you're done, let us know how it went. We'd love to hear about your first hike. Boy, will do. Thanks again, everyone. I'm lucky to have met such helpful campers. Sarah, it's all part of the camping experience. We're glad to help. Tom, enjoy the hike, Dave. And remember, we'll be around the campsite later if you want to join us for more campfire fun. Boy, I'll definitely join you. Have a great day, everyone. Mike, you too. Good luck out there and take it all in. Sarah, happy hiking, Dave. Boy, thanks. See you all later. Find the mistake. Incorrect. I'll make sure keeping my food secure. Correct. I'll make sure to keep my food secure. Explanation. Keeping is incorrect here because the sentence requires the infinitive form to keep after make sure. Make sure to verb is the correct structure. Incorrect. Staying on path is really important. Correct. Staying on the path is really important. Explanation. The is missing before path. We use the to refer to a specific thing, the marked path, when it's known in the conversation. 5 vocabulary words. Hydrated. Having enough water in your body to stay healthy and active. Trail. A path or route, especially one in nature for walking or hiking. Wildlife. Animals that live in nature, like birds, deer, or squirrels. Disturb. To bother or interrupt someone or something, often making them uncomfortable. Supportive. Giving help or comfort, like shoes that protect and help your feet while walking. If you want to improve your English shopping skills and feel more confident at the store, click the video here or follow the link in the description.